Why are we in the middle of the woods?
Because we have something very exciting to share. Listen, over the years, we have spent a combined $324,700 on rent in New York City.
So much money.
It's traumatizing. And guess what? We are over it.
Yeah.
We're over it. We're done. We're done with that because we are buying a house.
Man, with the housing market being so ridiculously bad right now, the houses being so expensive, we were like, you know what? Maybe we should just get a place that we could actually afford. And yes, it is gonna need some work.
But then we can really make it our own. And so today we're going to show you the house we bought. Prepare yourself because this may not be the nicest thing you've ever seen.
I think a haunted house maybe has a little more effort put into it.
Well, our haunted house is open and we're gonna show you our house. It needs a lot of work and I'd love for any of your input on ideas to make this house special, to make it our own. I'm sure that some of you have some amazing houses because many of you have told us over the years how we should stop wasting our money on rent.
These are the comments.
Yeah, thank you for that. Feels so good. Why don't we show them the house?
All right, let's go.
This is the porch. We're gonna go right inside. This house does have a pool, which we do plan on fixing up. As you can see, it's not the cutest, but hey, potential, my friends. That's the word of the day, potential. Come inside.
All right.
This is like the dining room area. I think we're gonna probably put like a big table here. Literally just your family 7, and then with my family, it would be like 12. So we want a big dining table here, and I love the windows. Plus Lucas, when he comes, I love the kitchen. I love like the granite countertops. We definitely don't need to do too much work here. This is probably the best part of the house, so it just goes downhill from here, you guys. My friend Sonia is gonna help us design. So she helped us design our apartment, and that was amazing.
And the kitchen is literally probably the only place where they made any new updates.
I don't know what this room is, but it's off to the side of the kitchen. I have no idea what we can do here. Maybe this could be a sitting room. Maybe this could be another table. Lucas, you have any ideas?
Workstations, Herman Miller's.
Oh, yes.
2-inch LG monitors with
That's true. We do Wander's luxury house tours, so we're probably gonna copy them.
That's actually most of the inspiration that we're probably gonna get for the house comes directly from Wander.
If they want to contribute any of their furniture, feel free. We need a lot of it. As you can see, this living room area is enormous. Fireplace, you got the shelving here. I actually kind of like the shelving.
This also is another part that's like a little more updated.
This is what we call updated.
I mean, this is updated compared to like the other places we're gonna see.
Then let's go over this way.
I do like the big windows, I'll say that.
I mean, the
Nice big windows,
need to be bigger.
but there's no lights in the ceiling up here. No recessed lighting or nothing.
Yeah. This is the front door. We want to replace the front door. I find it hideous. It looks like an industrial disaster.
anybody could just come in.
Come upstairs to the bedroom area. We have 3 bedrooms on this floor. This house is 6,700 square feet, you guys. So there's so much space. We're used to living to like a 1,000-foot apartment, so we have no idea what we're gonna do with all this space. This is the bathroom. It does have a jacuzzi tub, which is, yeah, it needs work. But this is kind of cool. It's like a little seating area. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that or not. Bedroom 1, maybe that's Bella's bedroom. I don't know. Another bedroom. This is a bit smaller than that bedroom. Then you have the primary bedroom over here, which in my ideal world, I want more windows because the forest is so beautiful over here to like open that up.
I think we take off this one, we put really big windows here. So you have a really beautiful view to the back. I don't really care for much to the side because there's really nothing to see there, but to the back where the forest is, that's really beautiful.
Yeah, and I love the forest here. It's so ample. Like there's no houses, you can't see any houses, and it's just like really gorgeous, especially during autumn, super colorful. We do have a bathroom here, but we're thinking of maybe expanding this bathroom. Oh, it's a mirror.
This can, ooh.
It's the first time I've seen my outfit.
We don't need all this closet space, so we could definitely use some of this space for the bathroom, hopefully.
Now we're gonna go into the terrifying parts of the house. Are you ready for this? Because this is where it gets real questionable.
This is the one where people get tied up.
Yeah, this is like this is what I call like the torture room, the prison. That's where we're going, the attic.
Watch your head here, there's like nails sometimes.
There's nails sometimes? What the hell? Okay, so for this room, I'm thinking, like what we've talked about this, we're going to add skylights across this entire top, and then we're gonna put hardwood floors, because this carpeting, What were they thinking?
This is like from the 70s maybe.
Terrifying. Really gross. And that room is so dark, so essentially this whole part, we're thinking maybe of making this into the office studio. Ideas, you guys? Comment them, please.
We got space.
Best part is you don't need a sit to stand desk because you can only sit.
Just
Yeah, I mean,
there. Yeah. A child could stand, no problem. A child could also live in these terrifying mini rooms. Like what? Like what is this? What is that room? Or what is this? Like what is this?
These are Law and Order SVU.
What is that, Lucas?
Do you have the history of this house? Like,
Oh, I looked it up already. No one was killed here.
I literally Googled our home address plus crime and nothing came up. So nothing reported, but it doesn't mean nothing happened either.
Yeah, like for sure something happened in this room. Like look how dark this room is. Why? You know? Like for what? We're thinking of knocking out this wall here because if this whole room is opened up and then we have the skylights and we replace the floors with nice wood floors, paint, it's gonna be beautiful. Potential, okay? Let's go downstairs. There's a cedar closet. Like this is the size of our office in New York City. Like this closet is
That way, I'll rig this way.
is it heated?
That is for the cedar closet. So cedar closets are used for certain types of materials, and so if you want to keep those materials looking good, you put the temperature at a certain level. Now we're gonna go to the worst part of the house, the part that's been forgotten.
There's like a jail cell.
Tight this hallway is. Like, can we fix this? So in this way, we have a bedroom, and this bedroom has a separate entrance to the outside. So this could be like the in-law apartment area. And then you do have like this whole space. So this could be like, say you put a bed here, you could have a seating area here. Then there is a mini kitchen over here. Yeah, it's perfect for you, Lucas. Cozy. Great, I can like make you work all the time here. This is kind of like a walk-in closet, I guess, but it leads to the bathroom. Full bathroom, shower, all the stuff. Then let's go over here. So right here we have a 2-car garage, and Bella and Molly are sitting on the only couch in here right now. Right here, this is actually, what is that, a mechanic's pit?
Yeah, so you could technically park your car right over and then you change your oil or look at the bottom of your
Where do
car.
I sign? Right now.
Great.
Tell Howard to come back down.
This is where the house gets real bad. Like they did not take care of it. So
Well,
obviously,
that's technically the office space that they would
mean,
have here, but
technically.
I don't understand why there's a hole here.
yeah, like why did they do that? And then there's hooks too. Why?
Maybe for like a curtain? There's something freaky?
This is like a 2-bedroom, because that's another bathroom over there.
Right, exactly. So this could be a bedroom, this could be an office. There is a nice sunlight here, which adds some light to this room, and I love the high ceilings. So this is another bedroom. In total, this house has 5 or 6 bedrooms. It has a bathroom here and a door that is broken off.
You know, I've never opened this closet. Let me see what's in it.
Probably.
Oh, just the guy.
This is the final room. It's the biggest room in the entire house. I have no idea what to do with it either. Come down this way. Stop! Why do you do that? Okay, so this is the finished basement. This room alone is like 24 by 24 or something crazy like that feet. I'm thinking maybe we could have like this be either a movie theater or a game room or something fun. I don't know. Maybe some of your brewery could be here. We could have like a bar.
It's a man cave.
It's a man cave.
Could be.
Yeah, but I don't need that much space. I'm very compact, you know?
Yeah, well, physically, yes. What? That is our new house. I'm sure that it's not cute, and you probably think, what were you thinking? The housing market, you guys, but don't worry, we're gonna make this house amazing, and we're really excited for this project, and we're gonna be showing you, like, as we make renovations to it.
I think we got really lucky too because,
The price
yeah,
was
not a
really
great
good.
market. The price was awesome. We got a really great rate.
Mm-hmm.
Our agent helped us out so much, and it is just incredible for like the square footage versus price is just unbeatable.
And the neighborhood's amazing.
What neighborhood is it?
I'm not saying. But that's it. So thanks so much for joining us, you guys, and we look forward to showing you what we do with the place.
We're so excited.
But I think you're coming up here to film.
Only if you don't do a good job filming all these rooms right now.